Hi everyone, welcome to my channel English with Bhavna. So today we will be starting the second part of the formal letter, that is job application. अब job application बहुत ही important topic है, and if you're choosing in your exam, like you get a option, right, which letter you need to write. So if you're choosing a job application, you need to have few details, okay, which you need to fill in. So let's get started with the job application. Now, the job applications is what exactly? See, whatever I have taught you in formal letter writing, जो भी आपको सिखाया है, that is included. You don't need to forget that for job application. Only extra thing is included, and the one of the most extra thing that is included is what? Biodata. Biodata is what I'll teach you exactly each and everything, and at the end of the session, you would be really very good. You would be thorough with your job application letter writing as well. Okay, so let's get started. These are the same things were important, that is address, salutation, biodata, introduction, body, and the closing. Now, letter writing, as we all know, are of two types, the formal one and the informal one. Again, I repeat, formal we write it to government bodies, our teachers, principals, school, job application, to the editors and all that, okay? Informal we write it to whom? We write it to our friends and relatives, okay? Next. Now, these are the points which we need to pay attention always for a formal letter writing. First, always remember you don't need to put a comma anywhere. Because what happens now, wherever comma is required and you put, that's fine. But where the comma is not required and still you're putting up the comma over there, what happens is marks get deducted. So please don't put a comma. Comma is not required. Don't put a comma anywhere. Next, alignment means the left side you need to write everything. Okay, date format should be DT, YY. Again, no comma is required. No full stop in the format. Format means matlab kya? I'm not talking about the body part where you have IBC, that is introduction, body and the conclusion. I'm talking about the format. Format includes address, subject, salutation. Okay, so we don't need a full stop as well over there. So no full stop. No respected or dear. See, when you're saying sir or when you're saying madam, you're already giving enough of respect. So you don't require to put respected over there. No dear. अपने चाचा ताऊ नहीं है, right? So you not put a dear, right? Exactly. Just say no to dear. Okay? Only sir or madam. Yes. या आप सर लिखो या मैडम लिखो, but if you write sir and then you're writing slash madam, that is wrong. Please don't do that. That is really wrong. Many of you, when I correct the paper, I get this कि sir slash madam आप लोग लिख रहे हो. Children, what happens now? Teacher will not tell you, but your marks are been deducted over here. So please don't do that. It's totally wrong. You think now you are writing reading a letter, okay? And for you at the top of the letter is written dear sir madam. It's totally wrong. First of all, dear is wrong. Secondly, sir and madam both likha hai. Obviously you will feel offended, so you don't write sir madam both. Either you will write sir or madam. Okay, depends on the letter. Intro max 5 days gap. मतलब फॉर एग्जाम्पल आज मैंने आपको एड दी है, ठीक है? टुडेज डेट इज 29th of December. Today I am giving a ad in advertisement. I'm giving advertisement regarding the job vacancy. So within 5 days आप job application डाल दो. Because 5 days के बाद डालोगे तो obviously that job is not on hold for you. You are not special. So please make sure that you don't put a job application later than 5 days. Okay. Next is enclosure. Enclosure means what you're attaching a file. That is a biodata, certificate, anything like that. Okay. So now next is what? Enclosure, that is biodata, certificates, etc. So this is the enclosure, that is biodata and certificates. Now biodata, I will explain you what is the format exactly, so you don't need to worry for that. So now let's move forward. Now what is a biodata is biodata जहाँ पे आप अपना job experience लिखोगे and also you will write few details which I will be letting you know right now. What the other format which includes all this, that is sender's address, which we have in formal letter as well. Date, DD, MMY, Okay, receiver's address you can get it from question as well. Subject from question you will definitely get it. Okay, salutation sir madam wala. Now introduction, body, conclusion. Conclusion includes thank you also. Complimentary close. Okay, and फिर उसके बाद आप क्या लिखोगे? Yours faithfully या yours sincerely. Please don't write yours truly and all that. That doesn't make any sense. So you will either write yours faithfully or sincerely. एक और बात ध्यान रखना, the F should not be capital or faithfully. Sincerely S also should be small only. And don't put apostrophe. Please remember this. Okay. So you need to remember all these points, else your marks would be deducted. Next, this is a sample biodata. Even though if nothing has been asked, you need to mention at least this much of qualifications. Okay, the name, father's names, address, DOBs means date of birth, your age and your educational qualification. This many details are mandatory. Now one more thing, like suppose name is over here and I write it over here. For example, जैसे मैंने इधर लिख दिया नाम, ठीक है? जैसे I write over here A B C, my name. Then father's name I write BAC. Okay, BBC, whatever it is, BBB, whatever. And now I'm writing my address from here. 202 Govind Bhavan. So this is what this looks really very bad. Now I'm writing my date of birth from here. So if you see all this looks really messy लगेगा. So what you have to do is the maximum space whichever is taking, like over your educational qualification is taking the maximum space. So what you do is you will start writing each and everything from here only. So you will start writing name also over here, start from here only, ABC. So it should be in one line. It should be not this way. So if it's in one line, it looks good and presentable. If you write according to the presentation also, it carries marks. Don't forget that. It should be always presentable. Okay. Now, next is the sample question. You are Raya Rayan of 1503 Imperial Heights, Mumbai. Mumbai, yaad rakhna. You have seen an advertisement in Mumbai Times. Where have you seen? You have seen in Mumbai Times. For the post of head chef. For what post? For the head chef. In a 5-star hotel, apply for the job with biodata. Write in 125 to 50 words. Okay. Then I start with my address, same as the formal letter. We are doing the format which I have taught you. Again, I will repeat. 1503, then I'll put a comma and I'll write Imperial Heights. I will not put a comma or full stop over here. Next line, I will write the city name, that is Mumbai. I will not put a comma or full stop. Wherever I have put a green line, it means आपको line leave करनी है. Okay, so I'm leaving a line, see this over here. Then I will write 29 December 2020. Don't write th, comma, full stop, कुछ नहीं आएगा. Please, if you put a full stop over here, comma, ये सब wrong हो जाएगा. Your marks will be deducted. Then again I will be leaving a line, and now what is the position? Position is head chef. So obviously I will be applying directly to the managing director. So the managing director, the Star Hotel, Mumbai. Okay. No comma, no full stop, nothing. Remember again. Then you will put a line, means you will leave a line, and then you will write a subject. Subject, as I said, you can get it from question only. What is the application for the job of what? Head chef. So this is your subject. So please follow the format. Don't forget to follow the format. Otherwise, what happens now? Your marks have been deducted, and you are not known also why your marks have been deducted. Even though you write a good letter, still your marks have been deducted. Next, so you will start with salutation as we have completed with the subject. Subject ke baad you will leave a line and you will start with the salutation. So sir, then I am leaving a line. In response to your advertisement, in Mumbai Times, it was mentioned in the question only. on when 24th December 2020. As I said you, advertisement और job application में 5 दिन से ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं होना चाहिए. So if you remember, I have written 29 December in the address part, right? On the format over there. So that's the reason. If you count from 24th to 29, it would be 5 days only. So maximum 5 days का difference होना चाहिए. Always remember this. I wish to offer my candidature for the head chef in your esteemed hotel. Please use words like candidature, esteemed, renowned. It looks good and it really looks attractive as well. Okay? Then you have to leave a line. I have completed my MBA in hotel management. See, always remember, you're applying for head chef. तो आप है ना कोई नॉर्मल डिग्री नहीं बोलोगे, आप एमए नहीं बोलोगे, आप लॉ नहीं बोलोगे. ऑब्वियसली आपने होटल मैनेजमेंट किया तो आप ये जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करोगे, राइट? सो यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड एज पर द डिग्री यू विल राइट इट डाउन. ओके, I have completed my MBA in hotel management from Mumbai University. I am hardworking, honest and punctual. I ensure that I shall work with full devotion and sincerity. Okay, this all is required, so you will write it down. And you can always I will just tell you to just remember this 3 to 4 lines and you can write same as it is. Whatever the topic is, you need to just change the few things, that is the position and you're applying for what. Okay, so if the city is given and the name is given, that only you need to change. Otherwise the content you can write as it is, so that it would be easy for you. Currently, I'm working in Blue Star Hotel. If you have experience, then only you will write this. Okay. Jaipur as assistant head chef. Okay. As my family is stationed in Mumbai and my parents are old and aging, they require constant medical aid. Hence, I'm looking for a job in Mumbai. This is really a best reason for looking for a new opportunity. आप directly नहीं बोल सकते हो कि मेरे को pay scale अच्छा चाहिए. You require a good pay scale, or you're looking for a good opportunity, higher pay scale opportunity. That doesn't look good. No one will hire you. So the best, I would say, the best reason is this only, that your family is outstation and you need to be with them. So you require a job change. This is the best reason. This you can write it for any kind of job application. Okay. Then leave a line and you will also write down at the last, I am enclosing my biodata for your kind perusal in anticipation of an early response. Anticipation, perusal. Please remember these words to be used. This will really give your letter a good weightage. Okay. Then thank you, full stop. Leave a line. Yours faithfully, no apostrophe, no comma, no full stop. And जो भी नाम letter में दिया है तो नाम लिखोगे, नहीं तो you can write any other name or your name. Leave a line and then you will write a name. Enclosure you will write, then biodata. You just need to write enclosure bad. Yours faithfully के बाद आप Rayan लिख दो. You don't need to leave a line over here. It's a mistake. So please don't leave a line over here. You don't need to leave a line. It's not mandatory. So you can just write Rayan and then you have to leave a line. Over here you will leave a line. Okay, ये line leave करना है. Remember this. I forgot to leave a line over here, but you have to leave a line. And then you will write enclosures and then put a colon and biodata. If it's in question, it has been asked that you need to attach any other certificates also. So what you will do, you will write enclosures, biodata, and second you can just use full stops or arrow mark, anything. Okay, you can write also 1, 2, 3, whatever has been asked, and then write it whatever has been asked, and you need to attach also. Make sure whatever you're writing in enclosure, you're attaching at the last of your letter. Okay, so I hope you have understood till here. Let's see what is the format of the biodata. Okay, a biodata में क्या क्या लिखोगे आप, that is also important. As it is said, you need to write, so we will see. Now, see, this is a sample biodata as per the question. Name you will write. As I said you, it should be in one line. It looks good if it's in one line. Okay. Name is Rayan Agarwal. Father's name, date of birth. Okay. Contact number. Always remember the date of birth जो 1990 है. Over here, it should match with the qualification and experience. आप बोल रहे हो कि 94 का आपका birth है और आपको already 8 years का experience है, that is wrong. Okay, because आपका graduation ही 2013 में आप बोल रहे हो कि post graduation हुआ है. So please make sure everything you write here and all, everything should be correct. Okay. Educational qualification, maternal status, working experience, whatever you have mentioned in the letter, languages known, and references. References means what? Wherever like you have worked before, if you're experienced, you have to write one reference name of your head to your reporting manager, to whoever you were reporting before in your organization or current organization. Okay, and one reference from your college. So you need to write two references. Okay, one where you were studying and second where you were working previously, your reporting manager detail. Understood? And also make sure if you're applying for a clerk, you don't need 94-82%. Okay, इतना पढ़ने के बाद 80 to 92% आप ला रहे हो क्लर्क के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हो, doesn't make sense. So make sure whatever position you're applying, as per that you are writing the percentage. Please don't just fake and file. That is not acceptable in letter writing, and it's a job application. So I hope now you have understood the letter writing. Now, this is just a sample which you can use for any of the letter writing. Okay, you have to just put the dates and all that. So, example, in response to advertisement in Times of India, dated whatever the date is there. For the post of senior manager in your bank, I wish to offer my candidature. Then again I'll leave a line. I'm presently working with ABC Bank as senior manager in Pune. As I said you, one of the best example, one of the best reason to for the change of job is what your family is stationed over another city and you're stationed in another. So it's very difficult for you to commute every day, means to travel every time, every month. So that's the reason you're looking for a job change. Yitna aap likh do. If you write this much and whatever the detail has been given in the letter question, more than enough. You would be thorough with your letter writing. So I hope you all have understood job application letter writing now. Also, what you want next, please comment, and I would always reply you. For any other queries, feel free to reach out to me on bhav.agarwal1994@gmail.com. Also, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Have a great learning. Bye bye.